and welcome to ARSKit.com Remedy Log Analyzer product demonstration. This is the second part of the demonstration, which shows the new features of Remedy Log Analyzer. For first part, please visit the site. This video demonstrates the field usages feature of Remedy Log Analyzer. Many times, you analyze Remedy Log to understand where particular field was modified, for which you perform a simple search in your text editor. However, there are many challenges in doing so. First of all, you would not really know if the searched field belongs to the required form or not. Let us take an example here. This is log analysis result of incident journey, and you want to know how or which workflow set or modified the value of field ID 7 belonging to HPD helpdesk form. The first step you may perform is a simple search like this, but there could be lots of fields with same field ID that belongs to a different form. In this log, field with field ID 7 belongs to 14 different forms, and was modified for at least 59 times. However, there is only one filter, of interest, which modified this field once. To make this scenario worse, your requirement to identify the workflow which modified the field usually stick to specific request ID of specific form. So how do you exactly identify the required source of field from the log? It needs a great deal of effort to make it possible, for which you may have to scroll up to see the start of filter processing to see if the filters belongs to appropriate form and request ID. But that would bring more scrolling of the page and thus more confusion. Let's make this scenario even worse, but the usual ones. It is quite possible that field was modified but no filter was responsible for that. For instance, the field was set by user on form before pressing the save button, or value was pushed from active link push action, which doesn't appear in the server-side log, or default value was set in field property. To identify these cases, you always need to perform such search in insert or update SQL statements. It is very tedious job which brings nothing but a lot of delay and confusion. But ARSKit.com Remedy Log Analyzer introduces field usages features which provide solution to all the problems while performing same manually. Using Remedy Total Log, you can upload and initiate the analysis of server-side or web client log. Once the result is displayed, you will see field usage text field on top of the sticky eagle view panel. Type the field ID and form name for which you want to see the usages. As in when you type the part of the field ID, it will populate the list of matching fields and corresponding forms, which was set or modified on complete log by filter or SQL. As soon as you select your required field and form, a list will pop up, which presents the detail of field usages in sequence. It indicates if the field was set or modified in filter or SQL, what is the request ID of record, for which the field was modified, and what was the value during the modification. Clicking on the link will navigate you to the section where the field was modified. For instance, here the field was modified in the first phase of create filter of the HPD helpdesk form. Click on SQL, it will navigate to insert a statement of the same transaction, where you can see same value was used in SQL. If you noticed, there are other usages of same field, and for very same record. Click on it, you will see that SQL update statement was performed, but there is no filter that modified the value to 2. If you scroll down the eagle view panel to focused section, you will notice that same record was modified later on, and the value was provided by the user, as there is no filter to modify the value to 2. Similarly, is the case with other usage. You can view field usages of different any form. For example, a field ID 7 of SRM request form, there is only one record, which was modified multiple times, with different status values. Click on first few entries, and you will see, within the same transaction, 2 filters of SRM, request form, modified the same field, and last value was committed to the database at the end of the transaction. Second transaction was during set operation of HPD helpdesk, with different data value. Another example of company field NTE process control form, wherein you can see the field was set or modified in many transactions on different records of the same form. This is the end of product demonstration, and hope you liked it. Register today and start using ARSKit Remedy Log Analyzer products. Please provide your comment, feedback or suggestion for improvement, or contact us for any relevant topic. Thank you.